You were just asked to take a sheet of paper and label that sheet of paper from 1 to 10. Here's what I want you to start thinking about. Sometimes when you come across science words, they're difficult to pronounce. I want to take you back to elementary school. And what I want you to start doing is when you see a word or you hear a word, start thinking about the sounds that it makes. So what we're going to do right now is a little activity on phonemic awareness. And phoneme simply means that you recognize sounds. I'm going to say the word. And what I want you to do is tell me how many sounds are made in that word. For example, my last name is Willis. How many sounds make up the word Willis? The way I can do that is I can even count it on my hands. If you want to be very discreet so that no one sees what you're doing, I can just simply say Willis. How many sounds? 2 sounds are in my name. Is that understood? So what I'm going to do is I am going to read. I'm going to show you some of the cell parts, the organelles that you will need to know. I am going to recite the word. And then I want you to write down how many sounds you hear. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. If you take a look at this first one right here, number 1 is pointing to the nucleolus. 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 Do it with me. Nucleolus. How many sounds?
6.
Christian, did you say 6? How many did you mean?
4.
Okay, 4. Okay. Here's the next one. Number 2. It's pointing to the nucleus. Nucleus. Are you ready, Simon?
Yep.
Number 3. It's pointing to this little tiny dot. Ribosome. Ribosome. Number 4, this is pointing to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. We're going to go over it. Number 5. It is pointing to the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Number 6 over here, it's pointing to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Number 7, it's pointing to the mitochondria. 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 Number 8, it's pointing to vesicle. Vesicle. Number 9, it's all of this brown stuff. That is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Number 10, it's pointing to this structure. Centriole. Centriole. All right, amazing people. Let's see how you've done. Take a look at the screen. Do you remember doing that when you were younger?
Yes.
Yeah, it's so very important that you listen to the sounds because that can help you with your spelling. Number 1, nucleolus. How many sounds? You should have 4 sounds. Number 2, nucleus. How many sounds? 3 sounds. For number 3, ribosome. How many sounds? 3. For number 4, rough. And it's rough because it has all of these ribosomes on it. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. You should have 9. For number 5, this is the Golgi apparatus. You should have come up with 6 sounds. Did you get 6 sounds?
Yeah.
Good. Look at number 6. This is your smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It's smooth because it has no ribosomes on it. You should have also had 9. Number 7, which is right here, mitochondrion. Mitochondrion, you should have had 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Number 8, vesicle. How many did you get?
3.
3 is correct. Number 9, cytoplasm. How many did you get? 3. You should have 3. And number 10, centrioles. How many did you get? 3. Here's what I want you to do. Start listening when I'm speaking, when you're listening to a video, when you're speaking to someone else. Especially in science, I want you to start listening to the word to say, okay, how many sounds are being made? What we're going to eventually do is start adding some syllabication into our lessons so that you can learn how to break up those sounds and begin to properly read them. Do you have any questions for me? No? Okay, here's what I want you to do. Go ahead and have a rhombus fold in front of you.